was actually on my way to work when the accident occurred. I was probably about 5 minutes away from work. Last thing I remember is I was about to make a phone call to the ER to let them know I was running 4 or 5 minutes late. And the next thing I knew, the accident had occurred. I quickly realized I was trapped in the vehicle. The dashboard was actually laying on my lap. And the airbag curtains had come down, so the inside of the vehicle was basically surrounded and dark. I could just see a glimmer of light from the top of the windshield because basically the impact had knocked the entire vehicle sort of an accordion like down onto me. So I was actually hit by a drunk driver a stolen vehicle, who was high on cocaine. He's 33 years old and he was arrested 43 times. And so he's basically a career criminal. It was just a matter of being in the wrong place at the wrong time. The way it works for ER doctors, if you don't work, you don't get paid. And then we found out that the guy didn't have any form of insurance. I am the sole provider of my family, and I feed 7 mouths. And so no income all of a sudden is pretty traumatic. We were told after we hired Carl that they were going to try to seek what this guy had. Did he have insurance? Did he in fact steal the vehicle, or was the vehicle given to him by another person? At which case the other person could be responsible if he didn't file a missing vehicle. And then exactly, does this guy have any assets or anything that can help compensate for the lost wages in the accident? Within the first week I was home from the hospital, one of Carl's associates was sent down to speak to me. One of his attorneys came down to speak to me actually while I was still in bed. And I was met with a very competent, assured response from this particular lawyer that they were basically going to do everything in their power to take care of me. Carl and his team of experts were very, very thorough with the case. They explored every avenue, obtained information very quickly. It wasn't long before we found out that the guy who hit me not only didn't have insurance, but had absolutely no assets to his name. At which point, our hands were a little bit tied. We kind of have to go with the uninsured motorist at that point. So he fought aggressively with the insurance company to get us that money as quickly as possible so we could take care of our bills and things. Anyone who were to ask me that was involved in a similar type of accident anywhere in the state of North Carolina, I would highly recommend Carl and his team in handling your case. He's both a person you can trust, extremely knowledgeable and thorough, but he's also compassionate, and he made it personal. He made it personal to call me and talk to me, to make sure that I was okay, and to talk to me on a personal level.